Take the reliability of a Toyota Hilux, the aggressive styling of a Ford Ranger, mash them together and you get something even better. The brand new Volkswagen Amarok, made to tow, haul and turn heads. Let's talk about that aggression. Bonnet protector, front bumper, lights. Everything you need to own that road. She's freshly kitted with a tow bar, a load liner and a roller cover. And I don't know what this confusion is about Ranger. It says Amarok. Brand new Veeman 20-inch alloy wheels, because size does matter. And brand new all-terrain tyres. Our class. Sorry. Now getting into this monster, you really do need the upgraded side step. But here's the best part. She's a 2-litre diesel engine, 4-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox. And there's a heap of room in the back, whether you're transporting a load of lads across the site or you're taking a rake of kids to football practice. So if you want to own this 2024 Volkswagen Amarok for only $597, all you have to do is get to luckydaycompetitions.com and grab yourself a ticket today.